Hey everyone, it's Jana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review slash unboxing on the new December 2018 Petit Vour box. So if you are interested in that, keep on watching. I would first like to say that yes, I am affiliated with this company, and yes, I was sent this box, but I will always give you my honest review and opinion. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So the first product that I received in this box is a Hand Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Concealer, and it is in the shade Fair Light. I couldn't help but to giggle to myself when I saw this concealer because I held off for the longest time on buying this, and of course once I bought it, I got another one. It's funny how life works that way. So this product right here retails for $18, and that is the retail price of this entire box. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. This concealer is very pigmented and very full coverage. I am wearing it today, and I just have to say that a little bit goes a long way, and I highly recommend setting it with a setting powder because it is a little tacky. I will insert a clip of me actually putting it on. Enjoy this concealer, and I will definitely be updating you on my final thoughts in my 2019 January unboxing. So the next product we have is the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish. This product right here retails for $8.50, and I'm gonna look at my little insert. This coffee and moringa oil-based scrub tightens and exfoliates dry skin, and I have to second that because I did use it in the shower, as you can see, and it has a very strong coffee smell, so if you do not like coffee, you're probably not gonna like this, but overall, this is a really good product, and it did make my skin feel very smooth. So the next product we have is the Gold Fatten MD Brightening Elixir, and I used this morning and last night, and I have to say that I really enjoyed it. It is very nourishing on the skin. I was like showing you. It is very nourishing on the skin, and I will read a little bit about what it's supposed to do. So it is an antioxidant rich brightening serum that works against photoaging and free radical damage, which I need, while leaving the skin feeling hydrated and looking radiant. And I have to say that I feel like it does that 100%. Now this is a sample size, and it is a retailed, it says it's a retail value of $18, which is like, wow, because that is very expensive, but I'm excited to see what it does for my skin in a month or two, so I will let you know how that goes. Final product that we have in this box is the Elude Naturals 1000 Roses Body Lotion, and this product retails for about $2. I did use this product last night, and it does smell exactly what it says it smells like. It smells like roses. And to me, it didn't smell as strong as I thought it was gonna be. It was kind of like a soft rose smell. But then again, I asked my husband, and I asked him if he thought it was a strong smell. He said he thought it was, but to me it wasn't. I guess it depends on who is using this, but to me it didn't smell strong. Too strong anyways. This product is just a lotion, performs just like a lotion, but without the harsh chemicals. I will continue to use this, and yeah, I'm actually surprised that I kind of like it. So the total price for this month's box is $46.50. You're definitely getting your money's worth because the box itself is $18, and who doesn't like to get more bang for their buck? I know I do. So that is it for this review slash unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.